Stop wasting money on the wrong plasma cutter. If you've been searching for the best trending plasma cutter machine on the market, you landed on the right video. Today, we're breaking down 3 multi-process machines that DIY welders, metal fabricators, and weekend garage warriors across the USA are talking about right now. These aren't just plasma cutters, they're full welding powerhouses that cut, weld, and handle aluminum and steel in one compact machine. We tested the features, dug through real customer feedback, and lined up the honest pros and cons so you don't have to guess. Stick around to the end because our final pick might change what you were planning to buy. Let's get into it. First up is the PUWU Plasma Cutter Welder Combo, a true 6-in-1 machine built for garages that want serious versatility. It handles gas MIG, gasless MIG, high-frequency TIG, stick welding, and plasma cutting, and it's spool gun compatible for aluminum work. You get 200 amps of MIG, TIG, and stick power, plus a 50-amp plasma cutter, running on either 110 or 220 volts. The high-frequency TIG delivers clean, non-contact arc starts that a lot of combo machines simply skip. Pros: huge process variety in one unit, dual voltage flexibility, beginner-friendly synergetic mode, cleaner HF-DIG arc starts. Cons: the control panel takes a session or two to fully learn, and plasma cutting tops out around ½ an inch, so it suits hobby and light fabrication more than heavy industrial plate. Customer reviews praise the clean TIG welds and how easily
it slices through thin steel, though a few newer welders recommend watching a setup tutorial before the first project. Next up, the HZXVOGEN 200A Plasma Cutter Welder Combo pushes versatility even further with 7 processes in one machine: gas MIG, gasless flux core MIG, pulse MIG, high-frequency TIG, stick welding, plasma cutting, and spot welding. It runs on dual voltage, either 110 or 220, and lets you switch between synergic and full manual control depending on your skill level. Safety is a big focus here too, with built-in overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and overheat protection backed by real manufacturer support. Pros: extra pulse MIG and spot welding modes, strong built-in safety protections, flexible synergic or manual control, solid manufacturer backing. Cons: 7 processes on one panel means a slightly steeper learning curve, and the higher output may be more machine than a total beginner needs on day one. Customers often mention feeling more confident using this machine because of the safety protections, and several highlight the pulse MIG mode for cleaner welds on thinner sheet metal. Rounding out our list is the PUWU 5-in-1 Plasma Cutter Welder, the most straightforward option of the 3. It covers gas MIG, gasless MIG, lift TIG, stick welding, plasma cutting, and spot welding dual voltage for 110 or 220. It's built with an IGBT inverter for stable power, solid thermal protection to prevent overheating on longer cutting sessions, and a clear LED digital display so you always know your settings at a glance. Pros: simplified layout
that's easy to pick up, fast, reliable thermal protection, stable IGBT power, dual voltage flexibility. Cons: it uses lift TIG instead of high-frequency TIG, so you'll touch the tungsten to the metal to start the arc, and it has fewer processes than the 2 combo machines above. Reviewers frequently call this the easiest one to start using the same day, especially for basic plasma cutting and stick welding repairs, though a few experienced welders say they prefer HF TIG for delicate work. So there you have it. 3 trending plasma cutter machines turning heads in home shops and garages across the USA right now. Whether you want the do-it-all power of the PUWU 6-in-1, the extra processes and safety backup of the HZXVOGEN 7-in-1, or the simple beginner-friendly PUWU 5-in-1, there's a real option here for your next project. Check the links in the description to compare full details and find the one that fits your setup. If this video helped, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe so you never miss the next trending tool breakdown, and share this with a friend who's shopping for a welder. Drop a comment and let me know which one you're picking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.